More than 7 billion people is current population of world in 2020. We talk about 10 richest people in these persons, their wealth, source of earning and their nationality. The person who is on the list at number 10 in 10 richest people of the world is Robson Walton. Robson Walton's present wealth is $52.9 billion. The main source of earning of Robson Walton is Walmart retailers. He is the world's biggest retailers company. He remains CEO from 1992 to 2015 of this company. A lady on 9th position in top 10 richest people of the world. She is the sister of Robson Walton and James Walton. She is the world's richest woman. His name is Alice Walton. His net wealth is $54.4 billion. She lives in America. At top 8 position is Jim Walton. These three sisters and brothers is at top 3 position in the world 10 richest people. He lives in America and net wealth $54.6 billion. The main earning source of James Walton is Walmart. He is still stand at 8th position in top 10 richest people. He lives in America. A biggest businessman of Spain is at 7th position in this list. He is the number 1 position in Spain. His name is Amancio Ortega. His net wealth is $63 billion. His big organization name is Zara, Inditex, Bershka, Goa, Graves, etc. The main source of his wealth is these and many other companies. At 6th position, an American nationality person, Larry Ellison, is stand. He is a big businessman. His net wealth is $70 billion. He is a business tycoon. He invests companies who is in loss and earn money and also help the company financially. The main source of earning of Larry Ellison is Asal company. At 5th position is Warren Buffett. His net wealth is $71.4 billion. He lives in America and a big industries and investor. He invests those companies who is in loss and help them and get benefit. He is owner and CEO of Berkshire company. At 4th position, rich person is 36-year-old. His name is Mark Zuckerberg. He lives in America. His biggest product is Facebook. His net wealth is $85.4 billion. His main income source is Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. Brand Arnott is at 3rd position in top 10 richest people list. His net wealth is $106.8 billion. He lives in France. He is the biggest businessman of France. He is chairman and CEO of world largest goods maker company LVMH. And at 2nd position is well-known person. His name is Bill Gates or Henry Bill Gates. He is the owner of Microsoft company. His net wealth is $109.9 billion. He lives in America. He has a biggest organization, Bill and Melinda Foundation. This foundation helps the poor people and poor countries. The person who is at number 1 in top 10 richest people of the world is Jeff Bezos. He lives in America and is the owner of multinational and technology company Amazon. He is also CEO of Amazon. His main source of earning is Amazon. His net wealth is $166.3 billion.